Creating some distance from the customary digital currencies, Uniswap works on a decentralized peer-to-peer trade mechanized market creator, AMM, to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Additionally, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the special elements of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two shrewd agreements to procure interest, Uniswap has a remarkable element and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This component of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in completely eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness, killing the mediators or consent totally. Consequently, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the computerized resources are connected as matches. Consequently, the liquidity gets represented for these parts appropriately. As a decentralized convention for robotized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was sorcery for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, a rush of Stages administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty Uniswap cost expectation. While the underlying stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for UNI projections to construct that trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer, and the most recent 24 hours cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who believe that UNI, USD, has tremendous potential and empower financial backers giving sparkling proposals to trade as underneath for this computerized resource by giving Uniswap expectation, finally beam of trust. There is potential for solidifying patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher opinion. As per Uniswap conjecture, the cost might reach $0.793 toward the finish of December 2022 temporarily. Uniswap has accomplished one of the main 10 situations in cryptographic forms of money this year, and as per Uniswap cost forecasts, the presentation may be completely kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. Being founded on a sensible calculation and cost examination, Uniswap, UNI, has both transient convention as well as long-haul possible benefits. The future cost might reach $67.4082 toward the finish of 2025 over the long haul. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of segregation with regards to monetary forms. The greater part of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar sad destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet securing the conflict of the leftover titans, thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market tutors infer the bull run could be far off, while the others banter completely in an unexpected way. The cost diagram is referenced here alongside the Uniswap expectation. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt a confidence in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in view of Uniswap cost estimate. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have gigantic contrast. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022, will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, the value developments of UNI/USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15 followed by a prompt sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the principal year, as indicated by UNI cost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and greatest cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap price prediction 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uniswap might show some obstruction, yet it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would stamp the brilliant time for this digital money UNI. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, monetary overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. UNI, in any case, is known to be strong and reliable. Both worldwide financial matters may too affect Uniswap cost development. As indicated by Uniswap forecast, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap price prediction 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost expectation, that value remedy may likewise be viable around this period, taking the Uniswap UNI cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market producer. In the principal, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. District explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Consequently, coming towards its cutting-edge objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving a wonderful impression on this environment. Uniswap price prediction 2025. According to Uniswap price prediction and our own examination, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the buyer market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position, showing solidness. As per Uniswap expectation, in the primary half, it would go up to $16 and the most extreme cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap price prediction 2026. As indicated by UNI cost expectation, as this year has gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25 without a doubt. In the principal half it would reach to $24 and in the drawn out it would reach to $26. This ought to be a decent Uniswap conjecture fascination for merchants and individual financial backers to empty in their cash into UNI Kitty, and we could see positive cost change. As per Uniswap cost expectation, there are incredible expectations. The